Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Rose, and today I'm going to be making pumpkin pie. For this recipe, we'll need 1 can of pumpkin puree, which I have in this bowl. We are going to need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla, 3 eggs, 1 can of evaporated milk, not condensed milk, but evaporated milk, 3/4 cups of packed light brown sugar, and regarding the seasonings here, I have 3/4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And if you do not have any allergies, nut allergies, you can use, in addition to the spices, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. My granddaughter has allergies, so I have to leave the nutmeg out. So we're going to start by, and we also need, I actually buy the frozen pie crust. And what I do is you'll need 1 9-inch crust, and I pre-bake mine at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. It comes out of the oven looking like this, and the reason I do that is so that the bottom part of the pie crust will not be soggy. So we're going to put that aside. Preheat your oven at 325 degrees. We are going to bake this pie for 50 to 60 minutes. Okay, so here I have the 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. We're going to add the spices. And we got the 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And the cornstarch makes the batter smooth, not watery. Here is my 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You're going to add 3 eggs at room temperature and 3/4 cups of light brown sugar. And we're going to mix all of this together until it gets incorporated. You can use a hand mixer if you like, but this is so easy. I just rather use the whisk. And just whisk it all together until it's combined. Just like this. Once all these ingredients are incorporated, we want to add the can of evaporated milk. And this is a 12-ounce can. You can use any evaporated milk that you like. And we are going to stir this until everything is incorporated. And once I have incorporated everything, I'll be back and I'll show you the next step. Okay, once the batter is completely mixed, now the batter wasn't sweet enough. So what I did, in addition to the 3/4 cups of light brown sugar, I added 1/2 cup of dark brown sugar and 1 complete teaspoon of cinnamon. It made a marvelous difference. So what I'm gonna do is, remember we pre-baked this pie crust at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And now all we got to do is pour in our mixture. Just like that. And You got one. This is a 9-inch pie crust. And you get 2 pies out of this mixture. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put them in the oven. My oven is preheated, 350 or 325 degrees. We're gonna bake this for 50 to 60 minutes, and I'll be back with the finished product. Okay, I just took the potato pie, pumpkin pies out of the oven. They baked for 60 minutes at 325 degrees. You want to let them cool at least for an hour or so. And then once they're cool enough, you can refrigerate the pies until ready to feast on them. If you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.